Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can create QR codes in GoHighLevel. I'm creating this video because one of my clients told me that he was using a third-party QR code generator and he was paying like around $39 per month for that, which is I thought was crazy because in GoHighLevel you can simply create QR codes for free and unlimited, and there's tons of options that you can use. And the great thing about that is you don't have to pay extra anymore for those third-party QR generators. You can just simply use GoHighLevel because it's one of the features that is native to it. So anyway, I'm going to show you how you create one, and all you need to do is just go here in sites, and at the very last one, there's called QR codes. And this is where you can generate QR codes for just about anything. So here you can see QR features here. But anyway, let's go straight to creating one, which is this. You can even collectively or group them into folders so they can easily edit and find QR codes that you have generated in the past. You can even upload your or create bulk QR codes as well. So this is what you call this helpful if you're creating multiple QR codes for one project or something. You also have some analytics to see how many scans your QR code had and helpful things so that you can pretty much know if your campaign is working. So here, QR code generator, select that. There are three steps here. You could choose a type, additional information, and the color or the styling of the QR code. So you can name this accordingly. So this is internal for you to, what you call this, determine or know what the QR code is for. For example, let's just say marketing or November promotions like that, 2025. And this is where you can create QR codes for. You can create it for a website or website link, a review link, even a call. You can create QR code for a phone number that will dial the phone number that you embed in the QR code. Not dial, but go or direct them to the dial pad for them to call that phone number you embedded there. You can also for SMS, when this is scanned, it will direct them to their messages in their phone, and you can create a pre-made text content here. Like for example, this is your phone number, and you can create a pre-made like that, pre-made text. So once it's scanned, it will compose a message with this message and to that phone number you embedded here. So all they need to do is just click send. You can also create a QR code for email like that. So you can customize the subject and a message for it. So when it's scanned, it will direct them to the mail app, something, payment as well. So you can see here a little preview of what the recipient will see once they scan the QR code. Even WhatsApp, a funnel, which you can attach to the existing funnel in your GoHighLevel account into a form, survey, quizzes, a profile card like this. So I see a lot of businesses using this QR code for this profile, as well as this virtual business card. They usually use this with printables business card with the QR code in here or something. So it's very plain, just a QR code, and they will scan and they will direct it to this profile. So how that looks is if I go next, then you can fill out this information and it will be what it looks like in here. Business card as well. So you see a little profile preview of what the QR code will be directed to. So let's just go with website, and yeah, I'll go ahead with just an example that come here. And from here, third step is define or style it. So you can set the background to something else like that. Background with a QR code. Let's see like that. And even different color of the dot. So let's just go with something like, it's horrible, I know, but you get the point. So I'm just going to use that as well for this one and that one. So that's it for the QR code color as well. You can collapse this. So you can see here, you have four options here, shapes and form. So there's tons of features here that you can use to style it according to your brand or whatever you like. Marker border. So really cool in here. Let's go stick with that one and probably like that. Go to the logo. You can create or put a logo in the middle. So let's just go with use this one. You can upload your own here and it will show it here at the very in the middle. There's also background remover for your, if you have a logo and it has a background and you don't have time to erase it, you can just remove the background, toggle this to remove the background. So it's less work for you. And this is the page background wherein you can actually create a background image in the QR code. For example, I'm not sure if I have a good one in here, but let's just go with this one. You see there? So sometimes when you do that, sometimes your code gets cropped. So I suggest that you just remove some transparency in there like that. And that's it. You can then download it. You can define the format you want the QR code to be, SVG or PDF. So SVG if you want it to be embedded in a website. But anyway, any format will do depending on the use. And that's it. Just hit save and you're good to go. And you can use that for anything. And the great thing about that is you can edit it further like that. Edit the link. So there's no need for you to regenerate the code. So this is very helpful, especially if you're doing printed materials. I have a customer wherein they changed the link and they already printed all the materials, but they weren't able to up third party tool that they were using doesn't allow them to edit the QR code further, which is I'm not sure. But anyway, you get the point. So the great thing about this is even if you accidentally printed all the materials already, you can simply just change it by this URL through the edit function, and you still have the same QR code. And hope that helps. And you all have a great day. And again, this is how you can create QR codes in GoHighLevel. It's totally free and one of the most used thing here in GoHighLevel when it comes to doing marketing and retention and all this stuff. So you all have a great day. Bye bye.